What's going on, guys? Hayes here at TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. I want y'all to check out this fridge. Just kidding. Hayes here at TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I want y'all to check out this Fridge 60. We just rolled out of the shop today. Now, this is going to my man, Mr. Mike Barker, down in Louisiana, owner of Barker Honda. Hey, Mike's been a pleasure to work with. Mike, we appreciate you. And he has ordered this fridge up. He's going to set it down in his dealership, cook for all his people, cook for his customers, kind of customer appreciation, employee appreciation. So hey, this is a great setup for him. So let's check it out. Now, as I said, this is our Fridge 60, and he's got it loaded up nice. As you can see, it is on our off-road package. He's got some upgraded wheels and tires on there from our friends Mods down in Texas. Those things look slick. Let's check out the bread and butter here, the Fridge 60. So guys, as with all of our fridges, you do get 3 sliding trays in here, all right? And he's got an additional charcoal pan setup in here. So what this is you'll take your reverse flow plates out, set these pans down, you get an ash pan and a charcoal pan, and then you can use it as a grill. So not only a smoker, you can also grill on it. So you got your 3 sliding trays, so a ton of cook room in this. If I'm, let's see, if I'm measuring this right, you've got almost well over a 500 gallon capacity in this smoker. So a ton of cook room, getting close to 1,000 gallon. So you can fit a lot of food in here. See, he does have our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, but we added something a little special up here from. We've actually got a 10-inch Cajun burner underneath here with a removable griddle top. So you can pull this up off. You can set your pot or pan up there, or boom, you got a 1/4-inch plate, heavy duty grill right there. It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain up front. You can see we've got his stainless steel logos all over this Barker Honda, the power of dreams, baby. Come around to the hot box here. Now guys, with the Fridge 60, you do get an extra large hot box, so still got 5 sliding trays in there. Well over 2,000 square inches of cook space in here. Guys, how this hot box works is you got a removable plate down here with daisy wheels. So not only can you smoke in the hot box, you can also use it as a warmer. You can get direct fire in there. You can run it at a different temperature as a smoker, so kind of like having 2 smokers running off the same fire. Works really well. Probably our #1 option here at TMG Pits is the hot box. Come down to the firebox here. Now this is our insulated firebox. He still has his fire manual cradle in there. As you can see, he got D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners as well. He's actually gonna order a trailer, enclosed trailer from us to haul this sucker around to some of his different dealerships. But on the back, hey, Mike knows the deal. You got your rear folding shelf here, guys. Super heavy duty. Sit down on it, take a break if you want to. Fold it up out of the way when you don't need it. That's the rear folding shelf on the fridge. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. It's like one slick fridge here heading down to Louisiana. We're about to load it up and ship it out to them today. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built like this, give us a call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.